Can you describe the Israeli Iron Dome in more detail and what that is? It's been in the news more since the war in Israel, and tell us more about that.
Yeah, so the Iron Dome system was developed more as a rocket interception system. So it's a system designed to be able to intercept sort of short range rockets. And so missile defense systems are often kind of or are more easily categorized based on the types of threats that they're designed to counter. And so Iron Dome sort of falls in the lowest tier of interceptors in or missile defense systems in terms of it's designed to be able to intercept rockets, short range like missiles, and maybe like smaller cruise missiles would be I would say the range of threats that it's designed.